Good morning, students. Today we will study about rational number, chapter first, mathematics of class 8. So now starts from natural number. Natural number started from 1. This is also known as counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 up to infinity. The smallest natural number is 1 and greatest natural number is not defined. When you include 0 in this number, you will get whole numbers. Whole numbers when we include 0. So whole number started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 up to infinity. This is whole number. The smallest whole number is 0 and greatest whole number is not defined. And third is integers. Integer is the whole number together with its negative sign. So we will write integer as 0 and right hand direction positive number and left hand direction negative numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 up to infinity, and in this direction -1, -2, -3, dot 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 up to -infinity. The integer is the whole number. Here these number are whole number with their negative signs. Negative signs are also. And 1, 2, 3, 4 onward is known as positive integer. Positive integers. And -1, -2, -3, this is known as negative integers. And 0 is known as zero integer. 0 is neither positive nor negative. And non-negative integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot up to infinity, and non-positive integers are 0, -1, -2, -3 up to infinity, -infinity, -3. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, dot 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 up to -infinity. And after this, the next number is rational number. Rational numbers. This is our topic. The name of chapter is rational number. So what is rational number? Any number written in the form of p by q is known as rational number. Any number which can be written in the form of p by q. This is important. P by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. For example, 3 by 5 is rational number. This is written in the form of p by q. 3 is known as numerator and 5 is known as denominator. Next numbers, all these numbers are also rational numbers because 6 can be written in the form of 6 by 1, so this is also integer. 0 can be written in the form of 0 by 1, so this is also integer. But 1 by 0 या any number by 0 is not a rational number, because this becomes 1 by 0 is not defined here, because this is equal to infinity. Yeah, this is undefined term. Yeah, this is undefined. 1 by 0 is not defined. So now there are some properties of rational number. So let's start properties of rational numbers. First property is closure property. Rational number are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. When a and b are rational number, then their addition will also be rational number. Similarly, when a and b are rational number, then their difference is also rational number, and their product is also rational number. But in the case of division, it is not defined when b is equal to 0. So this addition, subtraction and multiplication fully hold. Second property is commutative property. It is satisfied for addition and multiplication. A plus b equal to b plus a. You can write a plus b in the form of b plus a, and a into b in the form of b into a. This property is known as commutative property. Third is associative property. This is also satisfy for addition and multiplication. A plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c, and a into b into c equal to a into b into c. And fourth is distributive property. A into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into b plus a into c. And in the case of minus sign, so a into b minus c equal to a into b minus a into c. Our next topic is representation of rational number on number line. Representation of rational number on number line. Suppose represent 7 by 4 on number line. So you will draw a line simply and denote a point 0 in the middle. This line is known as number line. This is right hand side and here is left hand side. in this direction positive number and in this direction negative number. You aim to plot 7 by 4. So you will write here in equal distance 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4 and 7 by 4, 8 by 4. 8 by 4 nothing but equal to 2 and 4 by 4 equal to 1. This point is 1, this point is 2 and your number is 7 by 4. So this is the notation of 7 by 4 on the number line. Or there are so many methods, but you can use this method. This is the easiest method. And for negative numbers you will plot similarly in this direction. Now additive identity. Additive identity is 0. Why? When you add 0 in any number, suppose 3 by 4 is rational number, you add 0, then the result will be 3 by 4. There will be no change. So 0 is known as additive identity. Second is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity equal to 1. When we multiply by 1 in any number, any rational number, you will get the same number, 4 by 9. There will be no change. So 1 is known as multiplicative identity. And third is additive inverse. Additive inverse of A by B additive inverse of A by B is equal to minus A by B. It means negative. Additive inverse means negative of the number. For example, suppose here 3 by 4 plus what you add here, you will get 0. So you will write here minus 3 by 4. So additive inverse of 3 by 4 is minus 3 by 4. Similarly, additive inverse of A by B is minus A by B. Simply you will write the negative sign in the case of additive inverse for any number. So additive inverse of 3 by 4 is minus 3 by 4 because it becomes 0. 0 is the additive identity. And next is multiplicative inverse of A by B is B by A. It means here reciprocal inverse. Multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal of the given number. For example, suppose any number 3 by 4 multiplied by what number, it becomes 1. So when you multiply 4 by 3, then you will get 1. 4 is cancelled by 4 and 3 is cancelled by 3, so it becomes 1. So that multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3, and just reciprocal of this number, that is it becomes 1. 1 is the multiplicative identity. So multiplicative inverse is, you will write the reciprocal of the given number A by B will be B by A, and additive inverse will be the negative, and additive inverse of a by b equal to minus a by b.